guys, today we have one of the first flagship smartphones of 2021, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G with us. It's the top-end option for those who want to get their hands on the new Galaxy S21 series, which also has the S21 Plus and S21. We'll take a look at all the top features that the Galaxy S21 Ultra offers, but first, let's take it out of the box and see what's inside. The box has got sleeker as it does not ship with a charging brick and headphones. What you get inside the box is the handset, user guide and warranty documents, a Type-C to Type-C cable and a SIM ejector pin. Well, that was quick. Now let's talk about the best features of the Galaxy S21 Ultra. A stunning display. The first thing you will notice is the gorgeous WQHD display. You get a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 1500 nits of peak brightness, HDR10+, and Gorilla Glass Victus protection. The display is bright, vivid, and looks great even from extreme angles. Powerful performance. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra can multitask like a champ and can run even the most demanding games and applications with ease. It runs Exynos 2100 chipset and comes with 12GB and 16GB RAM options and up to 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. This setup is capable to handle intensive usage like multitasking and gaming without a stutter. Feature-rich camera. The Galaxy S21 Ultra not only packs a high-end chip but also the cameras. It has a 108MP wide camera alongside a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, a 10MP periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom, and a 12MP 120-degree ultra-wide lens. You get tons of camera modes and settings alongside an impressively steady video recording performance. It can record up to 8K videos at 24 frames per second and also has space zoom that allows up to 100x hybrid zoom. Intelligent battery management. The S21 Ultra has a 5000 mAh battery that supports up to 25W fast charging. You also get some other charging related features like fast wireless charging and reverse wireless charging to fuel other devices simply by placing it on the S21's back panel. Its smart battery management software learns your app usage style to optimize power consumption accordingly. High refresh rate display. A high refresh rate makes visuals and UI response more enjoyable on a smartphone. The 120Hz refresh rate on the Galaxy S21 Ultra's display makes the most out of its powerful chipset to offer smooth animations, transitions, and scrolling within the UI to enhance the overall user experience. Not just that, but smartphone gamers also get to enjoy the fast refresh rate while playing fast-paced games. So that was the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G for you. You can make it yours by paying only 70% of the price using Flipkard Smart Upgrade Plan. If you like this video, make sure you follow Flipkard Techspert to catch more such videos in the future. Thanks for watching.